Hi guys, today we're going to be making a video about derivatives. Now, a derivative, I'll let Brayden tell you what it is.
The derivative equals slope.
Yeah, the derivative is the slope of a graph. A graph being something that I talked about in an earlier video. Now, also, welcome to the I don't know.
Third video.
There was that one about limits, functions, then rise and run. Okay, this video is the fourth video. Welcome to the fourth video. Wait, that doesn't sound right. It sounds like something I've said before.
That's not.
Okay, welcome to the fourth video on the channel. It's about derivatives. Now, derivatives are slopes, and slopes are just tangents of angles. Tangent is something you can visualize like this. Let's say you have a triangle, a right triangle specifically. Then you have a point on it called theta. Then you have, and that point is not the right angle. The side opposite to it divided by, or let's say we have the side opposite to it. It has a length. Let's say we have the other side that's adjacent to it, though it's not the hypotenuse. That would mean that that would be the adjacent side. Now the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the adjacent side is equal to the tangent of the angle. Now this works for any angle. Now I need to go to the restroom, so I need to pause the video. Okay, so now, where was I?
We were talking about slope.
Slope. Okay, so there's how the tangent function works. Oh, I wish I made it so that it was another video. Though, anyway, now let me give you some rules of derivatives after I pause the video again. Okay. Microsoft Math Solver is where I'm gonna talk about this stuff. Now, first, let's grab derivative x to the power of n. I hope this does. Yeah, it equals n times x to the power of n minus 1. So this is called the power rule.
Graph.
I have no idea what this graph means, though.
I do.
What does it mean?
But you have to figure it out yourself, but I do.
Okay. Anyway, let's go to another one. I'm gonna grab a variable c. 0. Yeah, the derivative of any constant is 0. So the derivative of any constant times x is that constant that we multiplied. And if we have derivative of mx plus
B,
no matter what B is, it would always just equal M. So if you add any constant to a derivative, or if you add any constant to a function, then the derivative will stay the same. Time for me to pause the recording and make a picture of another thing to add. Oh, I hate these ads. And I just remembered that I need to take a picture of the picture I drew. Okay, now I need to go to camera. Then there. Derivative of m times f of x is equal to m times the derivative of f of x. Make sense? Good. Now, next video, I am actually going.
wait, are you editing it? Because you said once you're done recording and editing it, you said I could play Among Us.
I'm not editing it right now. I'm recording the video. I'm still recording the video. Still recording. Okay, now back to talking. This next video will probably be about crime functions. I'm probably going to record the other video today after Brayden plays the Among Us he was talking about. Anyway, time to finish the video. Now, let's recap what happened. Brayden talked about how a derivative is a slope, or the tangent of an angle. I talked about what a tangent means. And then I talked about a bunch of rules of derivatives, or differentiation, not to get confused with differential equations. Those are way harder than calculus. I'm actually learning them. I'm going to be learning them at some point. Calculus is 2-dimensional. Differential equations is 3-dimensional. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's go back to the screen recorder. Please don't be an inappropriate ad.
Are you looking for people to chat to when you're bored?
Good thing it wasn't an ad about women's. What? It is.
Oh, what the fuck?
Like what there was an ad for last video.
Did you have to pause it at that point?
No. I would.
You show that on camera.
Yeah, I didn't even pay attention to what the ad was that time, and then I noticed it when I was watching it at school, because my teacher was like, if you do this, then you get to watch your videos on YouTube.
So you did it? And you saw that. Today we're going to show... This show talks about girls' vagina.
No, it's a woman's something that starts with a C and ends with an S.
That's sexist.
No.
That's a sexist. That's a sexist word.
Really?
Yes. You're gonna have to edit it, what we just said.
Oh, I'm gonna need to trim it out, won't I?
Yep.
Anyway, guys, I didn't say anything.